Hey Caleb, what are you eating?
Yes.
Do you know what that's called? It's called Jujube. The Jujube, which I've featured in its own video a while ago called The Chinese Date, I have been so impressed by this tree. Look at how much fruit is on here. This thing is just totally blown up, unbelievable. With this fruit, you might notice that some of them are brown. The browner they are, the sweeter they are, and there is not a tree that has fruit that is this sweet that I've had in the orchard. There were those that have maybe more complex flavor, but the Jujube is really unique. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's tasty. And this is really one of the heroes of the orchard in terms of both the quantity of fruit and the quality of fruit. I also recently planted, so this is a lead Jujube, and this is called a long Jujube. And this is doing really well as well. So in our Southern California climate, it gets the heat that it needs. You can see that it is very, very happy, totally loaded with fruit, unbelievable. And it's really tasty. Now, when you're picking a Jujube, you have to be careful, by the way, because this thing has tons of thorns on it. Look at this fruit. So good. This is really juicy for a Jujube too. I think the tree's maturing and the fruit is really maturing as well. You can eat them when they're more green and the flavor is there, but the sweetness just like exponentially goes up the more brown that it gets. But this is incredibly juicy. Usually they're a little bit more dry. This is really good. I'm gonna eat a few more of these. I'll take some back to the family too. Anyway, it's been a quick look about the Jujube. If you're in a warm climate, you should totally plant this. People don't know what they are, so you can almost even get away with planting this in your front yard because they won't know to come up and pick one. And a lot of pests I've not seen really, aside from a little bit of ant stuff every once in a while. Really, really solid. So hope you enjoyed this. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, take a minute to do that. I'd sure appreciate that. Hit the notification bell. Should they subscribe, Evan?
Yep.
Yep, cool. Hey, whether you got one tree in your orchard or 500, until next time, stay busy. What are you here to get?
My obsession to Jujubes.
Here, there's some really brown ones over on this side.
Yeah?
Totally.
Oh, beautiful. This one's starting to dry. So good. Should try making that tea sometime. Delicious.